Welcome back to Friday's Celebration Assembly. I'm so glad to see you here today. We have so much to share with you because there's been so much going on. We've had two things going on this week. The first one has been the challenge that I set you on Monday, which was the 30 Days Wild Challenge. And a lot of you have been really busy with that. And then also, your teachers have set you lots of things to do with a summer theme challenge. And again, we've had loads of things happening over the week with that as well. So, let's take a moment to see all the things that you've done. Amazing or what? Gosh, what a fantastic thing all of you have been doing this week. Now, you need to remember that the 30 Days Wild challenge kind of goes on through the whole month of June. So please keep posting and sending all the fantastic things you're doing for that activity. If you haven't gotten started on the 30 Days Wild, it's okay. I will make sure that at the end of this video, you will have the website for you to go to that you can download and find out more about 30 Days Wild. Because in every day in June, we want to do something that has to do with the nature and outdoors. And it doesn't necessarily mean you got to do something outdoors, as we've seen in some of the pictures that the work the children have done this week. So well done. Now, you also know that Celebration Assembly is also about our awards, and we have loads to give out today. First, we have the Going for Gold Awards. So, first, we have an Oxford class. Katie, for going above and beyond with her home learning. Excellent job, Katie. I like hearing about that. I heard your French and your French pronunciation. Well done. In Cambridge class, we have Jessica. This is for her Fav PowerPoint that was so informative and very funny. I saw it, and it was funny as well as being very informative. Well done. Now in Edinburgh class, we have Charlie W. This is for completing lots of home learning from his work pack and creating lots of fun times with his family. That is so pleasing to hear, Charlie. Excellent. In Chester class, we have lots of names. These children have been having a fantastic time doing lots of work, and I'm really, really pleased. First, we have George, Jake D, Jacob, Oscar, Jaden, and Keegan. Well done, boys. Excellent to hear. In Cardiff 1, we have Harry, and this is for producing some super PowerPoints about Georgia O'Keeffe and doing lots of lovely artwork over the last weeks. Well done. In Cardiff 2, we have Amelia. This is for keeping up with her reading at home. Well done, Amelia. In Liverpool, we have Scylla. Scylla has been doing some super leaf artwork this week. Excellent, Scylla. In Hall 1, we have Jack, and this is for his superb stick and twig skeleton that he made in school yesterday. Well done, Jack. Excellent. In Hall 2, we have Lilia. Now, Lilia gets this for her enthusiastic chat that she had with Miss Creaser this week about her home learning. Well done, Lilia. In York, we have Leah, and this is for all the home learning she's been doing and trying so hard to trace over the different letters. Well done, Leah. In Leeds, we have Samuel. Now, Samuel gets this for his excellent binoculars and cloud spotting. I saw that, Samuel. Well done. I like that. I like doing a little bit of cloud spotting myself. Now, Year of Respect Award. In Oxford class for Year of Respect, we have Julia. This is for helping out with jobs at home. In Cambridge class, we have Ben, and this is for finding ways to use his time to have new experiences. Your joy is definitely clear with your teachers and me. In Edinburgh class, we have Ellie. This is for all the effort and enthusiasm she shows in all of her home learning, particularly with the summer project and the 30 Days Wild. In Cardiff 1, we have Caden. This is for making fantastic project to show respect and thanks to key workers, and for painting his garden fence. In quarter of 2, we have Addison. This is for trying his hardest with his home learning, even when things get a bit tricky. Perseverance, well done. In Liverpool class, we have Zoe for always being so positive and cheerful when Mrs. Terry speaks to her on the phone. It really brightens Mrs. Terry's day. In Hall 1, we have 2 children. The first one is Morny, and Morny gets this for her self-learning. She now can ride a bike without stabilizers, and she's very proud of this, and so are we, Morny. Well done. We also have Alicia, and this is for her lovely conversation that she had with Miss Jackson this week, and excitedly told Miss Jackson about her summer garden activities, and their loads. In Hall 2, we have Lexi May. Now, Lexi May has been helping her mom with gardening and looking after the plants. In York, we have Susie for respecting the environment when playing in her garden. In Leeds, we have Violet for helping her brother and listening carefully to Mom when baking buns. What a fantastic group of children we have for both the Year of Respect and the Going for Gold. It is absolutely amazing. Big thumbs up to all of you. Well done. So, it's now time for the weekend. I want you all to have a lovely one. Make sure you listen to the adults, making good choices, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Bye.